Yo, family. I know most of you guys must have mixed my analysis on before we used to drop weekly, in fact, daily analysis. But we have been busy, seriously busy, making the HBC strategy better and better. On Saturday, it was on Sunday. I called the attention of my people that we have to do a Zoom meeting. This is a Zoom meeting that we have, and inside the Zoom meeting, we make some analysis. We saw V75, V75 index. Immediately after the Zoom meeting, then we took on this V75 index. We saw all the proof. I'm still going to go to the chart, and I will show you guys how we took what make us to took the trade from that very position it was, and what made us to hold to the bottom. This very signal here, expect drawback. I told them to expect, and in fact there wasn't any drawback. Immediately we enter this signal, we come down to around here where before there's any drawdown. Immediately we enter from here, just stop, keep on dropping. And let's quickly go to the signal now. So we were just on the live Zoom meeting, and we could saw, for me, I was even with the HBD student, on a normal day. For me and my students, we know what we need to be looking. We know what we need to be looking in the charts. We don't have to wasting time on checking charts, maybe support resistance. We do check that, but the first thing we look for is the DBs. The DB break is so very on your in every chart you see it. But what you don't know, what is bigger, what you don't know is bigger than you. Alright, many people they will be expecting VIX75 to get here. I have someone that was expecting VIX75 to get here before he can took on this entry. It was one of the group, and I mean, so he was expecting the price to get here before he can take the trade. I told him this trade is ready. Firstly, what made us to look for the entry? We have spotted it since. For me, I've spotted it around there before even price gets here. I've spotted that. Okay, I've known my zone already. I've known my zone, right? I've known my zone. So that was just so. It was so easy for us. We have known our zone. All right. We have known our zone. So we are just expecting price to get to all these zones there. This zone. But I was expecting my price. I was just waiting for the sign to go in, and got so good during the meeting. We see some proof. We see was it not a QM? We see a QM, the head and shoulder pattern, right? Immediately when I saw this, I say, guys, let's eat, because this I know is a sure sell. Because number one, it is in my zone where I'm expecting the sell entry, and it now gave me another confirmation for me to sell. Another confirmation for me to sell. I checked 1 hour time frame, 2 hours time frame. I was just seeing sell. So even 8 hours time frame that is not on normal MetaTrader 5. I could confirm a bearish and in fact, if I'm not going to sell at all, I will sell for at least 24 hours, because this is a bearish and candle on 8 hours. That means that I've at worst 16 to 24 hours. So immediately we went in, and we held, and for me, I'm still holding. All this little delay, I told my students to take prior profit. I told them to take prior profit there. Then I even make a recall here. that I'm going to add more interest. I made a another entry here. I think inside the chart, and there should be, I made another entry there, and we are still holding on the V75 to now. This was V75. I think I still made, yeah, this was the this is it today. This is the update that I made today. So I'm still holding it, and so this is how easy the HBD strategy is. You can't know the HBD strategy and you won't have that confidence in holding a trade for more than 3-4 days. I told them, once I've on Sundays, Saturday, Monday is for me to is for us to spot a trade that we are going to take on. If I can't spot any setup on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, just know that for that week I'm not going to be trading. I will just be scalping. I'm not just going to be holding any. But once I see it, no matter what, I will hold it for how many days now? 1, 2, 3, 4 days straight that we have been holding this V75 index and trade. So it's as simple as that. Once you know the HB strategy, right? It's as simple as very, very, very simple. Those who came to learn this year, in fact, what they learned, not even only they even learn how to enter a trade in the sniper's way. As in, imagine you have a setup like this and it's not yet completed, you enter from this very position here. Imagine that you enter from this very position here. So that is the essence of a HB strategy, because you will know every zone that you're supposed to take your buy, and every zone that you're supposed to take your sell. So guys, we are even looking on another setup now, but it's still delaying for now. We are looking on. I will still make a video for you guys on this one, so I don't want this video to be too long. But guys, try and belong to the winning team. HBD strategy pays. It pays. Just trust the process. Just trust this group that this channel that you are following. Just trust us. I'm really telling you, HB strategy pays. This is the work of 3 to 4 years now, guys. Just trust the process and eat. I see you on the next one. Enjoy, guys.